sa company na First Services, especially kay Sir Anthony and kay Sir Michael na nag-facilitate ng team building experience namin. Thank you dahil okay yung naging composition ng mga activities. So, they just asked us ano yung mga kailangan or gusto naming goals for the team, and I think we have somehow achieved that, and nakita namin kung anong feedback namin as a team. Iba rin kasi kapag some other people will look at the perspective nung dynamics namin as a team, and I think it helped us to know more about our team and to help it grow. And for the kids, I think nakita ko din na nalabas din kung ano yung mga potentials nila, kung ano yung mga kung dapat nilang i-express. And we were brought to each other closer. And yun din, yung the activities, we appreciate it kasi hindi na kami ma-stress mag-isip. We just tell them kung ano yung dynamics. And then we appreciate then that they met with us before this day, so that they'll be able to decide kung ano talaga yung customized na kailangan for the team. And very maayos din sa time, so walang na-compromise na time. Even if we were a bit late, so nagawa pa rin namin all the activities. So thank you, Sir Anthony and Sir Michael.